Hello, this is Snow Kitty Girl, and welcome back to Minecraft. And as you can see, I am going to be playing with mods and oh wait, I do want to do survival. This is a brand new series called ZooCraft, and I will also be doing CatCraft. Okay, cheats is off. World type is default. Actually, we might want to do cheats on so we can keep inventory. So let's see what we get. I have not previewed the seed. I have not done anything, so I don't know where we spawn. For all we know, we could spawn underwater and die, which I hope will not happen. But I also hope the world won't be too laggy because I might have to remove some mods. Yes, it should work. Oh gosh. Oh wait, the sun is rising. I thought it was setting and I thought we were all gonna die and bad things would happen, but no. Okay. Nope, that's just like a plateau. That's cool though. Hello, sheepies. Oh, there's so many. What? Cats! I need a medallion. I'm gonna have to go mining for gold. Yeah. Hello, kitties! There's a lion too. Oh my god, is that a baby? It's a fox! Oh, this is so awesome. Guys, we're gonna get a fox and we're gonna get a bird. I hope the fox doesn't eat the bird. Oh, there's a white tiger. What? What, guys? We can have a white tiger in our zoo, and there's a turkey. Oh my gosh, I need to stop. I just need to stop right now. Is that a cave? Okay. I need to actually do things instead of looking at all the animals. I'm sorry. I'm just so excited right now. Hello! Are you so beautiful? Hold on, do I even have my sound on? Yep. Oh gosh. You guys sound evil. Seriously, you need to cool it. Was that a... Oh, this is too loud. Ah. There. This is so loud. Tiger, how do you live with all the loudness? I guess we could start making charcoal. Because charcoal works. And I am running out of food already. I might... Okay, I was gonna kill a turkey. Wait, don't you use turkey to tame foxes? Yes, you do. Oh yeah, I have the Morph Mod on. You saw nothing, turkey. Oh! That is a ravine. We could find gold to get a medallion in there. This is lucky. Oh gosh, I'm gonna starve. Killing cows with a pickaxe. Yay. I want that fox. Hello, Mr. Tiger. Hi, kitties. Please don't eat the birds. Hello. What should we call the fox? I'll just call her Vixie because I'm running out of time. Will you follow me, Vixie? No, you won't. Well, try not to die, Vixie, okay? That's about the best advice I can give you. Oh, Mr. Tiger, I want you in my house. Am I crazy to want the tiger in my house? Probably. Let's make torches. And let's, oh, I ate all baby. Let's have turkey. Is the sun going down? Oh, we should have killed the sheep. We should have killed the sheep. Kill the sheep, kill the sheep. Go, 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 go. We're not gonna push into the reef. Yeah. So let's get to the house. I'm glad that cobblestone is there. Otherwise I would not have known that was my house. Okay. We did not die. Let's make a bed now. Yay. Come on. There. Let's see if we can tame this bird. Oh, feeding the birds. Please be my friend. Yay! Let's call it Azuli, because that's a cute name for a bluebird. Azuli, get on my head. Oh my god, that is loud. Azuli. Oh, Azuli, are you okay? I'm sorry, I don't have any seeds to feed you with. I need to make this bigger for you. Watch out for falling gravel. You are... Azuli just died. Guys. I had a bird for 2 seconds and it's died. I'm sorry, I killed your friend. I feel like I should make a birdhouse or something. Azuli like drowned in my bed. Awesome. So let's get more seeds, I guess. Okay, hi cat. Do not fall into the pit. Anyway. Vixie? No, you're not Vixie. I could have another. That would be cool. Where is Vixie anyway? Oh, there she is. Okay, she's fine. Oh, jeez. I think we should maybe build a birdhouse before we get another. What are they over here? There's another fox. Okay, let's see. Where are they? What the heck? They're all gone. And I'm gonna die because I'm out of food again and I'm stupid. Hooray. I don't really know what to do right now. Oh, you want the seeds? I'll kill you. Yeah. Maybe we could get one of the white birds. White birds are pretty. Don't tell me they're gone too. Please don't be gone. Please do not be gone. I wonder what happens if I hit a lion. I mean, I'm obviously not going to test it, because that's probably the worst idea in history. Oh. Oh, there's a lioness over there. Oh my gosh. I need a more reliable source of let's make some sticks. I know what I'm doing, guys. Oh yay, food. It would be cool if you could eat eggs, like if you could cook eggs. Like put them up here. Oh, wait, what? You can cook an egg? I did not know this. You can cook eggs. What do I get? I got an omelet? I didn't know this was a thing. I didn't know you could get omelets in MoCreatures. What? That's pretty awesome. Anyway. Hold on. So that we do not use this feather. R.I.P. Azuli. I'll never forget you. I want a white bird. I seriously need to stop with the birds. Don't tell me these ones are all gone too. Oh, there's just a black bird. Oh, there's a white one too. I like you. Oh, you're a mourning dove. Aww. Ah, I'll call her Snowbird. Come on. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. You can fly. If Snowbird dies, you know what? I'm just... Okay, Snowbird. You're in. I wonder if it's the torches. Actually, nope, I'm taking you outside. I'm not doing this to you. Wait, what the heck? Is that a sheep? Was that a sheep? Nope, that's a cow. I want to see what's up here, actually. I know I should probably be getting food, but you know what? There's probably food up there, so... Technically, I am getting food. Are you following me, Snowbird? No? Good, because I'll probably accidentally kill you. That was so sad. There's another fox up here. Any other wildlife other than sheep and cows? What? It's a panther! I wonder if I can feed you turkey and you'll be my friend. Let's try it. You didn't drop me turkey. I'm gonna look this up. Like, guys, I want a bunch of cats. There's so many cats in this mod. It's awesome. Anything else up here? Oh, hi again. Oh, there's another tiger. There's another turkey. I think that's another bird. There's another white bird. Hi, sheep. I thought you were a bird. Oh, hi, chicken. There's another lion over here. Let's eat our omelet. There's an ostrich. We can get an ostrich if we follow it around and it lays an egg. Oh, I want you to. You can be my friend too. Where'd you go? What? Yay, let's call you Omelet. Is that how you spell omelet? Well, it better be. I'm sorry, I called you a terrible name. Can you like... Oh, you can't. That would have been awesome if you could like glide up 2 blocks with a bird on your head. Oh, I came down. Oh no! I love how there's no fall damage though. Oh, I think the sun's going down. Let's go. I will let you free with, what was her name again? Snowbird. I'm a terrible bird owner, guys. Well, at least with a bird, I can jump off a cliff and not die. We're flying! Oh, Omelet. Where's Snowbird? There you are, Snowbird. You can come over here, Omelet, and you guys can be best friends. I believe the sun is setting. Can we sleep in our little bed closet? Nope, we can't. We have nothing to cook. Why do we have more feathers? Why do we have more feathers? Were there more dead birds? All I know is that the one feather was a Zuli. R.I.P. Zuli. I can't believe I killed a bird. Rest in peace, Zuli. I can't believe he died after 2 seconds. Omelets are awesome, by the way. What the heck? It is night. Minecraft. Actually, it's not. But anyway, leave a comment about what I should name the white tiger and the panther. Well, I know what I'm gonna name the panther. I'm gonna name him after my cat. Because I have a black cat. So, don't tell me what I should name. Was that what I think it was? Was that a dying cat? Snowbird! Are you alright? Snowbird. I'm just gonna kind of leave you there and hope you don't die. Oh, now I think that's enough. ZooCraft. We killed a bird, and we found an elephant in a ravine. And I think this series is gonna turn out really well. So thank you all for watching this first video of ZooCraft. Leave a like and comment for the names of some of the animals that I will have in my zoo, which is currently not in existence. But anyway, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye! The birds! Please be my friend. Yay! Let's call it Azuli, because that's a cute name for a bluebird.